Okay, in this video we are just going to learn some small freestyle. Our settings are, okay, we are using a model which is PSR E373, and the voice we are using is nylon guitar, voice number 44. That one. And then the style we are using is 69 acid jazz. Okay. So this is how I was pressing it. I'm pressing bass. You see, if you're on key C, you press the first key. So the first chord, the second chord, and the fifth chord. Then from that second chord, you know that this is second. We have just inverted D minor. This is D. Then this is D. So in learning this in this style, you will learn about three things: how to move your hand,